Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be burning a piece of pine to see if we can get that certain effect. So here, I'm not even going to try to say the name. There's no way I can pronounce it right and not do it justice. So the thing we learned as we were burning across it, we were trying to do it even, back and forth, the same way we all burn flags or whatever we do. So as you can tell in the grooves here, it's burning the top more so than down into the grooves. So we try to go slow with it to see if it can get in there. Back and forth, back and forth. In reality, what we did learn is right here, if you hold a torch, it'll actually catch on fire and actually crisp up exactly to where you need it. So it'll crisp up to a point that it'll no longer burn. That's how you know that you got a good char to it, and it'll be ready for the brush. So as you can tell here, we're kind of slowing down, and then this is where we kind of figure everything out, and then we chase the flame back and forth across the board to make sure we got it. So the right side of the screen, you can see it's really charred, and then we'll finish up the rest of the board with some sweet flames coming. That's so cool to watch, isn't it? So now that we're good and charred, we take a small wire brush, and all that charred area inside of the grains will just brush right out. It leaves you some pretty sweet grooves, and inside those grooves it holds stain, paint, whatever you want to put on it extremely well. So this is a messy process, you will get that. But one trick that we did figure out, if you take a wire brush inside of a battery drill, it gives you these sweet grooves like this one you see here. Works well. But here we're going to show you what it looks like with some paint or stain. So this is red stain, blue stain, just standard stain from Lowe's. We thought it turned out pretty cool. So that's our process. Love to hear what you guys think. If you like, go ahead and hit subscribe. Thanks.